When shooting paint through my paint gun, I like to apply the first coat fairly thin. You don't want to go, it's better to go in with a few more thin coats than really try to spray it on thick the first coat or second coat, because if it's sprayed on too thick, you're going to get what's called orange peeling, where the paint is so thick that you're going to end up with little divots in your paint. It's not going to look smooth. So you really want to be careful to do thinner coats rather than one thick coat. And when painting the inside of furniture, using a spray gun is so much easier. You can just get right in there and spray it up and give it color very, very quickly.